Malva Mauritiana is a beautiful plant which blooms with delicate purple-pink flowers. It is not only lovely but more importantly it bears a lot of health benefits for our body. You can buy dried flowers of Malva in pharmacies and you will spend around $20 for the average box of this tea. But you can also grow Malva on your garden and dry the blossoms yourself. It is surely a more economic solution, and since Malva likes to shed seeds by itself, you are likely to find young plants of Malva on your garden bed every spring. Malva is very easy to grow, and the number of flowers it produces depends on the frequency with which you will pick the blossoms. The more often you will harvest, the more blossom it will produce. Flowers, which will not be picked, will soon turn into seeds. You can harvest them when ripe and keep for the next year, or you can give them as a present to a fellow gardener. Dry the flowers in a room where the air circulates and then store in an airtight container. To make tea, put 1 tablespoon of dry flowers into a cup and pour with 250 milliliters of boiling water, cover with a lid and leave for 8 to 10 minutes to infuse. Drinking Malva tea helps with oral inflammation, cough, chest congestion, bronchitis, hoarseness, and other health problems. If you add a drizzle of lemon juice, the color of your tea will turn pink, and if you want, you can sweeten it with honey. Drink Malva tea 3 to 5 times a day. No contraindications are known. It's even suitable for pregnant and breastfeeding women and children. I personally drink Malva tea intensively right at the beginning of my mucus cough, and I usually get rid of it in 5 days. So, cheers!